Amusekendi Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, the President of the Republic of Uganda.
Vice Chairperson has attracted 3 aspirants. Second National Vice Chairperson has attracted 2. That second National Vice Chairperson, female, has attracted 2 aspirants. 2 candidates now because we nominated them. Vice Chairperson Northern, 4 candidates. Vice Chairperson Eastern, 9 candidates. Vice Chairperson Central, 7 candidates. Vice Chairperson Western, 11 candidates. Special organs, Women's League has attracted 38 candidates. Youth League has attracted 71 candidates. PWD League has attracted 26 candidates. Elders League has attracted 12. Veterans League has attracted 22 candidates. Workers League has attracted 33 candidates. And Entrepreneurs has attracted 39 candidates. In total, sir, we have nominated and will nominate 291 candidates. National Chairperson also attracted 1 person. The second person who came could not even give us a copy of his bank slip for us to peruse to find out whether it was authentic. He said he had paid 20 million, but by the look of things, the document he wanted to give us was not genuine. In some districts, when we reviewed the registrars, they started demonstrating. Registrars are appointed by the NRM Electoral Commission. The candidates should not appoint the registrars. Candidates also should not.
Level of indiscipline in the party. Indiscipline based on the areas of use of money. We have already registered that our candidates are trying to spend a lot of money to convince the voters. I want to put them on notice that that is not allowed in the party. We do not want money to take president over quality and character.
If we behave very well, even this corruption will stop, because we will not be fearing to tell the truth. We don't want intrigue in the movement. We don't want that. We must be very clean.
The NRM must tell every home that please, the majority of the jobs are not from the government. But you can call that, do not have to fight with arms now. However, you should volunteer to serve your people by defending their legitimate interests against corruption, fraud, criminality, land evictions, etc. Therefore, the second reason for the NRM putting forward my name is to cause the qualitative leap of Uganda into a high upper middle income country in the next few years, preferably far ahead of 2040, which is 15 years from now. My immediate advice to you is to be wealth creators, if you are not one already, so that you do not look at leadership as a means of living. Job, mulimo. Don't look at Bukulembeze as a mulimo.